Hi everyone, welcome to OhmAzing Living. Welcome to another invigorating chair yoga practice for our abs. Let's get started. We're going to sit up in a nice mountain pose, so sitting up nice and tall with our feet firmly planted on the ground. Our legs are probably 1 or 2 fist widths apart. Place your hands directly on your thighs. Sit up nice and tall. Take a big breath in through both your nostrils. On your exhale, breathe out through your nostrils. One more time. Nice big inhale in. This time, open your mouth and allow your shoulders to relax down your back. Let's take our hands to heart center in prayer pose. Pausing gently here just for a moment to set an intention for our practice. We'll do a nice invigorating practice to help strengthen your core. Sitting up nice and tall, take one more breath in. On your exhale, drop your hands down to your side. Slowly open your eyes up. Inhale, big breath in, arms come all the way up. Exhale, drop your right hand down. Take your left hand overhead, reach. We're going to stretch for just a moment or two. Really move your ribs out towards to the left hand side. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, other side. Drop your left hand down. Take your right arm overhead, reach. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, slowly swan dive it forward. Bend over, allow your fingertips to come to the floor. Inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands to your shins. Nice flat back. Come up about halfway with the crown of your head facing forward. Pull your shoulder blades together. Nice, strong pose. Inhale, fold forward one more time and exhale it out. Inhale, slowly come up. Take your arms all the way up. Exhale, take your right hand to the back of your chair, your left hand to your right thigh. On your next exhale, look over that right shoulder, twist. Inhale, both arms come up. Other side, left hand comes behind you, right hand to your left thigh. Push into the chair. Exhale over that left shoulder. Inhale, both arms come up. On your exhale, slowly take your arms down. Take them behind you as you bend over. Take your arms up behind you. Inhale it up. Arch your back, look up. Exhale, drop your arms down. Swing them behind you as you lean over. Inhale up. Arch your back. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down behind you. Inhale all the way up. This time on your exhale, I want you to take your arms to the back of your chair. Hold on to the back of your chair. Heel toe your feet out just a little bit farther so that they're hip width apart. Exhale it out. Big breath in. Scoop yourself forward, arch your back, gently look up, pull your shoulder blades together for a cow. Exhale, pull your elbows forward, round your back, look at your belly. Inhale, cow pose, arch your back, pull your shoulder blades together. And exhale, round your back. Pull your shoulder blades apart, bring your elbows forward, look down at the floor. Take a big breath in as you come up to a nice neutral pose. Let's heel toe our feet back together. We're going to do a little exercise for our arches here. So to get started, I want you to pick up your toes and then I want you to bring them down to the floor. Grind your heels into the floor. Allow your toes to clutch the floor. When we take an inhale in, we're going to really clutch the floor with our feet and raise our arches up. So sit up nice and tall and then take a nice big breath in. And on your exhale, go ahead and clench your feet into the floor, raise your arches up. Let's hold this for 3 or 4 breaths. So slowly breathing in and out. If you know how to use your Ujjayi breath, go ahead and do that. Two more breaths here. Next exhale, go ahead and release. Excellent job. Come to the front of your chair. We're going to run in place for about 30 seconds and I'll start counting. So when you're ready, take a nice big breath in, take your arms up to your sides. And exhale, begin. Pick up your right leg, left, right, left, right, left. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, halfway there, 17, 18, 19, keep going, 20, 21, 22, 23, don't forget to breathe, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Excellent. Big breath in. Arms come all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, slowly bring yourself up. Let's take our legs just a little bit farther apart. We're going to do some jumping jacks. So what we're going to do is on our inhale, we're going to raise our arms up and we're going to bring our feet up, whoops, at the same time. Try that again. Sitting up to the edge of the chair, take a nice big inhale in, bring your legs up and bring your arms up and then down and up and down. You may need to lean back just a little bit and allow your abs to catch. So get yourself set up, lean back, allow your abs to catch, take your arms down at your side. Feet are planted on the floor. Nice big inhale in, pick up your feet for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, don't forget to breathe, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, halfway, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Take your legs mat width apart, lean back in your chair a little bit, and slowly just windshield wipe your legs. Let's go ahead and release your abs. Breathe slowly through this. Inhale and exhale. And then go ahead and come back up. Let's take our feet out wide. Nice big breath in, takes your arms all the way up. Make a circle with your arms over your head. On your exhale, bring your arms directly out in front of you and push them out to the side in a T, palms facing out. Nice, strong pose for your arms. One more time, inhale it up, bring your arms all the way up. Make a circle with your hands, let your fingertips touch, and on your exhale, this time come all the way forward. Drop your hands down onto the ground. See if you can plant your palms down on the ground. You may have to scoot your hips back a little bit in your chair. Push your hands firmly into the ground. Flatten your back. Extend your arms. Elongate your spine. And then on your exhale, go ahead and allow your elbows to bend. Let your head fall down. Inhale, slowly bring yourself up. All the way up, let your arms come all the way up. Exhale, drop your right hand down, take your left hand overhead. Push your ribs out towards the left hand side. Reach. Inhale, come on back up. Exhale to the other side. Reach. Open it up. You can open your chest up a little bit. Look up underneath your elbow. Inhale, both arms come up. One more time, make a circle. over your head. Let your fingertips touch. Exhale, bring your arms straight out in front of you. And then push them all the way out into a T. Palms facing out, big breath in. Exhale, allow your shoulders to drop into your shoulder sockets. Inhale, both arms come up. Again, make yourself a circle above your head. And this time, again, we're going to drop ourselves all the way down to the floor, placing your palms on the floor. Inhale, pick up your right hand, twist. See if you can see your thumb. Twist, open up your chest to the right-hand side. Exhale it down. Inhale, other hand comes up. Twist, left arm up in the air. Exhale it down. Nice big breath in. Slowly bring yourself up with a nice flat back. And as you do, take your arms all the way overhead. And then exhale, drop your arms down. Let's go ahead and heel toe our feet back together. We're going to come again to the edge of our chair. We're going to do boat pose. And so as we do boat pose, let's remember when we lean back in our chair to allow our abs to catch, we want to have a nice flat back. If you feel your back collapsing, come up a little bit. That means you're too far back. You don't want to lean up against the back of your chair. You just want to have a nice flat back so that when you pick up your legs, your back will stay that way. So let's get started. We're going to do several rounds of boat pose with a couple of variations. So sit up nice and tall. Take your time. Lean back just as far as you can until you feel your abs begin to catch. You can hold on to the sides of your chair if you'd like, and then pick up your feet. Bring your knees together. Knees should be nice together. If you want to extend your legs, you can. That's fine. And then take your arms out to a T, and then let's hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring yourself back down. Take a breath. One more time. Lean back in your chair. Feel your abs catch. You can hold on to the side of your chair as you pick your legs up, keeping your knees together, extending your legs out about halfway, taking your arms out to a T. Let's try 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Excellent. Mountain pose, sitting up nice and tall. Hands on your lap. Pressing your feet into the floor, breathing in and out slowly. Take a couple of breaths here before we get started again. One more time. Let's lean back just slightly, allowing your abs to catch. Nice flat back here. We're going to pick up our legs. And this time we're going to do toe taps. We're going to start with our right leg, alternate leg toe taps. Take a big breath in and go. 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7. Breathe, breathe. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, and 1. Excellent. Come forward. Place your hands onto your thighs. Sit up nice and tall, really pushing your feet into the mat. Relax. Take a couple of breaths here. Excellent job. I'd like for you to take your feet mat width apart. Slide your hips forward. Again, one more time. Let's do some windshield wipers here. We want to release our abs both in the front and the back before we do any forward bending or back bending. And then once you've done that, you can sit back up nice and tall. Let's pick up this right leg. Take our hands onto our calf, rotate our hip out, and then place our ankle onto the thigh of the left leg. Hold on to the back of your chair, push yourself up, and then release your right hand as you push that right thigh away. Give yourself a great big stretch. Take one last big breath in. On your exhale, take both hands to the back of your chair, hold onto your chair, and allow yourself to just come forward. Feel that really big stretch that you get in the back of your right thigh, maybe in your glute, a little bit in your back. And if you hold onto your chair, you can allow yourself to just fall forward, letting the weight of your body pull you down without worrying about falling. Inhale, slowly come up. Again, as we release our leg off of our thigh, we're going to want to use both hands to pick up our calf, rotate our hip, and then bring it down. We don't want to be jerking our knee. Sitting up nice and tall, other side, pick up your left leg, reach down and grab the calf of your foot, rotate your hip out, and then place your left leg on top of your right, flexing that foot. Sit up nice and tall, push into the left thigh, open up that hip a little bit. Take a couple of breaths here. And when you're ready, you can take both hands to the back of the chair. Take a big breath in. And exhale, slowly come forward. Allow the heaviness of your body to give you a really juicy stretch in the back of that left thigh and your glute muscle. Inhale, slowly bring yourself back up. Again, taking our hands to our calf, maybe our heel, rotating our leg out, sitting up nice and tall. Let's take a big breath in. And bring our hands to prayer hands and slowly bring them down to our heart center. Let's close our eyes and just take 2 or 3 breaths here. Reap the benefits of your practice. Go ahead and relax yourself for the next couple of minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Namaste. Shanti, Shanti, peace.